In this concise tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to sign into the Capital One app in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Capital One and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. Once on the Capital One website, locate and click on the sign-in icon, usually found at the top right corner. You'll be directed to the sign-in page where you'll need to enter your username and password. After entering your credentials, click on the sign-in button. If you forget your username or password, there's an option to recover them by following the provided links. Alternatively, on the homepage of the Capital One website, you can find fields to enter your username and password directly. Once logged in, you'll have access to your Capital One account. Signing into the Capital One app is as straightforward as logging into any other account or social media platform.